Welcome to another cartoon workshop. This is a bit of a doodle session. I've been asked by a few of you about how to draw babies or babies' faces. So here's a pretty straightforward technique for you to try out. We're going to try it a few times. And I start this by drawing, well, it's nearly a circle. It's getting on for a circle, but as you can see, it's just stopping short of that. So I'll try that. It's like a horseshoe shape. And at the bottom, just join them on with like a long U shape, just connecting those sides. So all the way around, like a U shape. I'm going to do that again, like a circle. And then at the bottom, there's a bit more shape because I'm going into a little chin shape there. That's the bottom of the face. So you can see the forehead's quite big, and the bottom part of the face and the cheeks don't take up as much of the drawing. So you've got a great big top part there, the circle. And just experiment with this. Draw it over and over a few times like I'm doing, and you will get to where you want to be with this cartoon. And you can just experiment. It's good fun, and it's quite straightforward cartoon to try. So you can have a little doodle with this today, see what you come up with, so you can get the cutest baby or the screamiest baby. We'll see what we can come up with these faces. So there, I've done it again. I've put a little chin there. If you're feeling a bit skillful, you can do that. A bit lopsided mine, yours probably better than mine, but I'm just showing you the basic technique, see what you think. Now for the nose, all I'm doing is a little N shape. It's like a little turned up nose. And a couple of dots for the eyes, that's all I need. And then very thin eyebrows. I've hardly got any eyebrows, babies. And a pleasant smile. Looks quite happy, this one. On the top, we're putting a bow in the hair. So it's just a circle with two triangles either side and a few tufts sticking out the top. And let's not forget, just a couple of little shapes for the ears. And there, you've got a baby face. And this is ready for you practicing. There's a little N shape, the nose again. Make the eyes quite wide apart. Makes it look cuter if you do the eyes wider apart. And there are the little shapes for the ears again. This one's got a hat on, so I just put a line across there. There's a bobble on the top. You can just have fun with this. See how many variations you come up with. You could end up with just a couple of pages of baby faces, but it's just a good way of practicing. There you are. Nose again. Couple of eyes. Light eyebrows. And a smile. That's it. Just keep practicing that. See what you come up with. The top of that head's a little bit smaller than the one next to it, as you can see. Maybe prefer the look of one to the other. I don't know. A couple of tufts on the top of the head again. Not much hair going on there. But as you can see, I'm just basically doing the same thing over and over. This one's a little bit angry, so I'll do the eyebrows turned down, little flat nose. There's that bottom lip sticking out at the bottom there. And the ears, you'll soon get used to this, and you'll have a page of baby faces. And this is just a nice way of drawing them, nice and easy. This is a different type of hat. I'll put a bubble on the top again. And you can have fun colouring them as well. Use any skin tones you like, any shading that you like. As I say, we're just doodling, just have fun with it and just keep practicing, see what you can come up with. I'd be interested to see what your baby faces look like. There's that round shape at the bottom again. It's like a circle and an oval underneath. These are some little lines going together like it's crying, this baby. I was going to give it teeth, but no, hasn't got any yet. Don't forget the ears, just complete that face. And yeah, just a little bit of hair, not much. I'm going to show you something different now that you can do. It looks the same. There's a great big top of the head. And at the bottom, as we've got the other cheeks, I'll just extend that a little bit. But instead of just joining it at the edges, I'm doing a full oval shape. And I'm colouring that nose in. A couple of eyes. Very, very similar drawing, but something completely different. There's a pair of ears up there. And you got yourself a cute looking teddy bear there. And you'll notice this, the thing that makes it look cute is sort of the shape of that head. That babyish sort of look about it. It does give it a cute look. So you can have fun, you can experiment and try out all these different methods. What about this? Is a circle there. Try out different shapes at the bottom of that almost completed circle. Eyes a bit close together, nose again, different type of mouth, little smile, ears again. And you've got a different looking bear. I'm getting lots of different shapes and sizes of babyish looking faces here. Here we go again, that big almost completed circle. What's it going to be this time? I'm doing a bigger circle there. Okay, different again, eyes quite close together. We've got two big nostrils there. A couple of little horns, friendly ones because they're rounded. Followed by a pair of triangles on the side with a little C shape inside, and those are the horns. Don't forget a little tuft on the top. And using the same technique virtually, we've got bears, babies and cows. Don't forget to sign your work. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow these YouTube videos. It's great to have you along. It's nice to know you're there as well. So I'm going to shade this one in. Now if you've got any coloured pencils, that's great. You can choose any colour you want from this for this bear. Mine's a little bit untidy there, it's gone onto the nose. But you colour it in different sections or shade it in different sections. You can see I've pressed on a little bit harder there near the eyes, just to give it a little bit of 3D. And the inside of the ears can be the same colour as that mouth area, or it could be just a little bit of pink inside the ears, whichever you feel like. It's nice to have a little bit of pink on those cheeks to make it look like it's happy or content. It just adds to the cartoon. And just have fun shading and colouring. You can do whatever you like with them. We're basically creating our own colouring books. Yeah, there's no point going buying one of those when you can make your own cartoons and create your own designs. If you're a writer or a poet, you can always put a little illustration with your writing, or you can draw a character and build a story around it. So mine probably looks a little bit boring because it's all in grey. If you've got some colours, just choose whatever colours you like. But it does give it a little 3D effect, just with a little stroke of that pencil. It really does. It adds to it. It brings it to life a little bit. And this is just a soft pencil I'm using, and it does make it easier when you get a soft pencil. I'm going to put a little body on here. You can have a go at this if you like. I'm just doing some rounded arms. And another thing about babies, they haven't really got necks, you'll notice. Well, they have got necks, but you can't really see them. Okay, so have a go at that. There's just a cute little body on that bear, which again I'll shade in the same colour as the main part of the head, or the same tone. And just a little patch on its tummy there, which is a different colour. I'm going to make this baby, it's going to be crawling along. Because I'm doodling, I'm just making use of any room I've got on the page, just trying to fill it, any gaps. There's a pair of arms, a bent leg. That's just a simple baby's body crawl if you want to have a go at that, and give its baby grow a nice colour. Again, no neck. Oh, you can't see the neck. A simple pair of hands there. That looks like a quite happy baby, ready for a hug. Again, colour that in. And just put some stripes on there. You can do anything you want with it. It's your colouring book you're creating. and just slowly filling this page. When you filled your page, you put it to one side and go and get yourself another page. Have another go. See what you can come up with. See if you improve, you can sort of put that page to one side. That baby's really crying, it's furious, that one. Yeah, you can put your page to one side, get on with your next drawing, and then you can put them next to each other and see if you've improved, or see if you can pick up things from the first one. Maybe you made a few mistakes that turned out right, and you can adapt those into your next cartoons and go again, just practice. But just have fun with it. Like I say, this is just a doodle page. I'm just trying to fill a page with a few ideas for you. I'm always trying to find easy ways of drawing things that makes it possible for you to pick up a pencil, get your piece of paper, and within a few minutes you've actually got yourself a good drawing, or something you can recognise as a good drawing. I'm going to put a neck on this baby. It doesn't quite look the same, don't you think? But it's an option. Try that one as well. Just experiment. And the main thing is have fun with it and just really enjoy your cartoons. So look out for me on Facebook, Instagram, Cookie Cartoonery. And if you get the chance, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up and let me know what you'd like to draw.